this day started. Let's get this day started. Oh, your girl's feeling old. Like whimsical, feminine. You'll see the vibe come together. I'm saying that I should have hired a production assistant today or something because this is a lot of work. It's looking so good. Please do not judge the current state of my house. I had COVID all weekend. And now it's been such a busy work week, but I am prepping for our 5th birthday photo shoot for Maria tomorrow. So I thought I'd bring you along for the prep, the shoot, all of it. And one of the things that I want to do is I'm going to take the lemonade flavor and the tropical flavor, which I don't have right here. And I'm going to make some creamsicles, popsicles. Let's see if I can find, I don't even know if you guys can see me. We're gonna make popsicles. And tomorrow we are doing it's gonna be a picnic scene, birthday party, like whimsical, feminine. You'll see the vibe come together. I'm so excited. But, okay, do I have popsicle sticks? Yes. Oh my God, it's really coming together, you guys. It'd be like vitamin popsicles, which sounds insane and delicious and amazing. Okay, bag of tropical. Bag of tropical off the shelf here. Tropical is currently out of stock on the website. Should be restocking mid-July when we launch this birthday campaign. We only do 2 sales a year, so this is gonna be a huge sale campaign. Very excited about that. If you are new to the channel, welcome, or welcome back if you are not new. I'm Monica. I am the founder of Maria, a menstrual wellness brand who supports women through nutrition and lifestyle. We have our drinkable supplement, the Elixir. I'm also a hormone health coach, a personal trainer, among so many other things. I'm multifaceted, content creator. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to subscribe. And let's get these popsicles made. And I need to brew some tea because we're doing Karen Calmer's tomorrow too. If you don't know what the Karen Calmer is, where have you been? Also, like I said, like in COVID remission. So excuse the current state of my being, but I'm feeling a lot better. It's just like I'm still nasally and congested. I'm kind of on I think this is day 5. So I think I should be good to go for photo shoot tomorrow. And all right, let's do this. I'm winging this a little bit, but by my quick chat GPT, it said you want to use plain or vanilla yogurt. So I have some Siggy's yogurt and coconut milk because I thought, I don't know, that sounds good, especially in the tropical. If it's gonna be, so I'm going for the creamsicle vibe, but the 2 flavors that we have are tropical, which tropical has coconut, pineapple, mango, and orange in it. So it's creamsicle-y. And then citrus lemonade. So the citrus lemonade will do like a citrus cream, but with a splash of tart cherry or cranberry. I'm not sure yet. We're gonna use the Beast blender because she's the best. Oh my God, this one smells so good. I mean, I understand the people that don't like this flavor, but because it's like not my favorite to drink every day. But this honestly just smells like freaking vacation. Okay, I just put a little bit of water in there, and I'm gonna do 1 scoop of the tropical, a big scoop of yogurt, coconut milk, and then to make it creamsicle-y, you guys, I hate it when I can't get the lids off things. Like, it literally, it makes me feel so insufficient as a human, and makes me want to cry, and I hate that Max isn't here to help when he's out of town. Okay, I got it. I don't know how much of this to do, because like this isn't creamy, it just like is vanilla-y. Let's start with 1/4 of a teaspoon. I'm gonna leave that lid off so we don't have to go through that again. Now let's blend this up and see how it tastes. We're getting a creamsicle vibe. Ooh. I like whipped it. I guess that makes sense. That's not what I was going for. Weird texture. Yeah, let's try it. Okay, we're going in for the pour. It's fucking good though. And then put this over the top. Take the popsicle sticks. We've got our Maria pops for tomorrow. Let's see how they come out. Morning. Oh, wow. I am just collecting myself this morning, literally. Coming off of a weekend of COVID is a little rough, but here we are. So I'm making my protein oats. Today is just gonna be wild, but gotta get the day moving, gotta get going. So collecting myself, getting some breakfast, getting some coffee, having a coffee. And getting this day started. Let's get this day started. Quick little background while I get ready about how this shoot came to be and why we're shooting. So a couple of weeks ago, I was scrolling TikTok and I was watching this brand that I look up to, have this campaign, and I was like, I'm so jealous. I wish that we could do something like this. And later that night, I realized, why the heck can't we? All that needs to happen is that I need to set things in motion, find a photographer, try to find models. And so it's now 2 weeks later from that moment of me simply scrolling Instagram and having those thoughts where I felt like I couldn't do this. And now today is shoot day and I've made it happen. So hired a photographer, got models on board, and we are shooting for our 5th anniversary campaign. And I'm so excited to bring this project to life. So I hope that you are watching this and thinking how glamorous that you get to do this. All that it takes for you to be able to do this or do something similar is to just start taking action. You got this. I didn't think I got this 2 weeks ago, and here we are. Okay, just shot some branded content for a brand that I needed to do. I do like UGC content, so it's content for ads, which is hilarious because I just did content for a perimenopause bundle, which, oh, your girl's feeling old. But one of the things in the bundle is this collagen, and it's actually really good. Here we are. And then we've got the fit. Can you guys see it in the mirror? I gotta get the car packed. I gotta get everything packed up for the photo shoot. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna bring these popsicles. I still need like a pitcher for the tea. I gotta get a bunch of product. So I need to get packed up and make sure I have everything. Oh shoot, here we go. I gotta pack a couple of influencer partnership shipments for Maria. So I'm gonna do that now, and then I'll work on getting packed. But we're moving and grooving. I feel like I'm exhausted, but I'm making it work. We're making it happen. Let's pack these up. I'm quickly realizing, if you can hear me, but I'm quickly realizing that I should have hired a production assistant today or something, because this is a lot of work. So we have the things. I need to figure out how to get a cake, and I realized I should have ordered this in advance. And I need to also get a cutting board and a pitcher and a couple of other things. It sounds like a TJ Maxx run to me. And what else are we needing? Flowers. But we're on the way. Headed to Jackson because I have a meeting in an hour. And then I also have therapy at 4, and then the shoot starts at 5:30. So we're gonna be cutting it close, but we're gonna make it happen. Okay, so I had an amazing call on Intro. If you don't know the Intro platform, it is amazing for speaking to people who like you might look up to, mentors, other business owners who have more experience than you, experts in certain areas of business. So I booked a call with Kaylee, who is the founder of ClearStem. Love their products, use their products, but also have really loved and admired their business model and some of the things that they've done in terms of scaling, and had questions for her. And I had reached out to her via email, and oh my God, I'm like so mucusy. It hurts. And sometimes just like paying for people's time is the best way to get their attention and for them to give good advice. So sign up for a 15-minute call, which sounds ridiculous, like paying for 15 minutes of someone's time, but it was really valuable. I made sure I made notes, and we had a 15-minute chat, asked her a bunch of questions, and yeah, I'm excited about some of the things that we discussed, and I feel like I have some really good direction on some things Two of the things that I wanted to ask her about, one was podcast placements and getting on more podcasts, because we have found that people most relate to my story and my experience. So that. And then as well, I wanted to ask her about, they have an acne lab panel, and we want to create a foundational or root cause hormone panel that we can offer to our community. And so asked her about those two things. We were able to squeeze it all in literally 15 minutes, and really helpful. So we did that in the Whole Foods parking lot, and then ran in and got the cake. The cake has been secured. We're gonna drop it in the fridge at the co-working space, along with the popsicles in the freezer there. And then I have like 2.5 hours to get some work done. Hopefully like settle into my day a little bit, because right now I've just been running like wild before I need to run errands, pick up some final last things for the shoot, and go to therapy. I just had like the best therapy session that I've had in a long time. You guys, find yourself a good therapist. I swear to God, it's one of the better things that I've done. All right, let's finish these errands. I'm feeling rejuvenated. And get this photo shoot off the ground. Hey guys, we're here. Holy shit. It's looking so good. Everyone wave. Okay guys, we are wrapped. What a beautiful evening that it has been. And I'm so excited for these photos. I think they came out so good. I cannot wait to see them. I'm exhausted. We did a great job. Eva did a great job. I'm just vlogging. We did it.
We did it! Nailed it!